Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in the Multitrack of Adobe Audition CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use track visibility in the tracks panel so you can customize when you show and hide tracks in the Multitrack. There are a couple different places for you to access the track visibility menu to show and hide tracks on the Multitrack. The first place, if you come up here to where it says Editor, click on the little hamburger menu, these three horizontal lines, you'll see track visibility, and here you'll have some options. You'll check this option, show only tracks with clips, if you want to hide all empty tracks. So I'll click on that. Now you're only going to see tracks that have audio. And if I want to unhide those empty tracks to show all of the tracks on the Multitrack, we could go back to the menu here and go to track visibility, or go to the second option and go to the Multitrack menu at the very top. You will see track visibility, it has the exact same menu, and now I could just click on this, show all tracks, and now we'll see everything including empty tracks. And the third way, probably the easiest way to control the track visibility, is to use the Tracks panel. To open the Tracks panel, just go up to the Window menu, then click on Tracks. And all you have to do is just click on the eyeball, and that will hide any track. Click it again to show or unhide the track. To access the track visibility menu in the Tracks panel, just click on the hamburger menu next to Tracks, Track Visibility, and you'll see that same familiar menu. You can also create custom views and save them as presets. Let's hide track 6. I'm going to click on the hamburger menu, go to Track Visibility, Save. I'll save this as Preset 1. And now I only want to show the tracks that are under the CTI, or under the playhead, so that's tracks 1 and 7. Now I could manually click on the eyeball to hide that, or I could come up here to the back to the menu, go to Track Visibility, and I'll select Show Only Tracks with Clips at the CTI. Now it's going to hide everything but tracks 1 and 7. Now I want to save this view as a preset. To do so, I'm going to click on the hamburger menu, Track Visibility, Save. I'll save this as Preset 2. You can save up to 9 custom presets. And to load a previously saved preset, you can go back to any of the Track Visibility menus. So I'll click here, go to Track Visibility, Load, and just choose a preset or use the keyboard shortcut. So if I click Shift 1, now it's going to take me back to that first save preset. If we want to go back to the second one, I'll come over here now, go to Track Visibility, Load, I'll go to Preset 2, and now we only see 1 and 7. And that is how to use track visibility in the Tracks panel in Adobe Audition CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.